happy Monday. Today's Monday pero wala silang pasok. Why wala kayong pasok, kuya? Magluluto na naman siya. Kahapon nagluto siya ng eggs. No, thank you. Today is November 13. Si Jen, uminom siya ng kanyang protein drink na. What's the flavor of that, Han? Cream and soda.
Snuff?
Kahapon, siya rin nagluto ng eggs.
Do you know why?
Pardon? I cannot hear you.
Do you know why?
Why?
Die.
What are you trying to say? What about the eggs?
I want it hard. Yep. I want it runny.
What? There is nice. It's nothing. May balahibo.
I want it hard. I want mine runny.
Isak ng bala sa breakfast.
I want one hard.
Kahapon din. Nasa yun nga, ina-upload ko yung mga short video namin sa Reels, TikTok, and Instagram, sa Facebook.
Here. Oh, can you move it over here?
Si Kuya magtutoast na siya ng bread.
Because I want two runny, please. Where's the sauce? Let's look for it. I need to do this.
Nag-toast na si Kuya ng bread. Nice isa. Oh, pinapakita yun pa. Who's that one, Kuya? You want runny or hard?
Is this hard? Yeah.
Semi-hard, semi-runny. Yeah, that's alright.
Okay. Why did you do that? Now there's still oil on it.
Yeah, you don't need to put oil all the time.
Is that how you crack an egg? It goes everywhere? Like that?
But next time, you don't have to be so far from the pan.
Can I crack my egg?
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'll crack it.
What, yeah?
Doesn't matter.
And ako pala nakaligo
Can I
na
do
ako.
breakfast when everyone's here?
Wow. Gusto niyo raw magluto ng breakfast pag nandito yung mga bisita natin. So, nakaligo na ako. And, baka ngayon namin gawin yung...
When I'm making pizzas, it's still there.
Yeah. Ngayon namin ilagay yung Christmas tree kasi kinuha ni dyan sa shed. So, we'll see. Pero mag-i-edit muna ako.
Put salt.
You put salt and pepper? Okay. Mommy's just gonna edit first.
Okay.
Tinanggal ko muna pala yung aking mini gym dyan malapit sa fireplace. Yung upuan. Meron dyan na upuan. And meron din akong dumbbell na, guys. Tingnan nyo yung dumbbell ko dyan. Ayun. Ginilid ko muna. So, dyan kasi namin ilalagay yung Christmas tree.
Put on properly.
I-vlog muna natin yung...
Look.
I-vlog muna natin yung luto ni Saki Boy na breakfast kay Kuya. Si Kuya yung nag-toast ng bread. And si Holly yung magkakrak ng egg. Para sa kanya naman yan. You have to be closer, Baba. That's good. That's good. That's alright. Huh? She get the big one. Okay, mag-edit mo na ako. Dito si Jan. Umalis si Jan, kumuha siya na.
Wash that one. I'll cook it.
Hoy, wait, we're gonna wash it, Sak. No, I'm gonna wash the eggs.
Okay.
Yung eggs na nakukuha namin kila Tommy, kailangan ko siyang hugasan kasi hindi pa siya hugas.
I have one hard, one right.
Ayan. Umalis kanina siya. Kumuha siya ng more eggs.
That's cooked.
Ayan. So, kailangan ko siyang hugasan. And si Holly medyo may sipon. So, kailangan niya ng medicine Kagabi ko pa siya pinapainom.
Nice egg, Jack.
I know.
I'm washing so I can...
Gusto niyang pakainin si daddy niya ng egg. I have to wash the egg sack.
That's the one that we already had.
Okay, that's the already washed. Alright, mag-edit muna ako. Okay, crack it, Baba.
This one,
It's alright because I need to wash it, Zach.
yeah, I'll wash one.
Alright.
Hold the thing for me, please, so I can...
I'm just right. Alright, this is enough for you.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yep. Alright. Yep.
Stop putting them down.
Are those Tommy's eggs? Yeah.
Ayan na yung egg ni Holly.
This egg is.
Who's that from?
Tommy.
Tommy. And yung kanya ay rice. Tapos si Kuya, naalala niya may rice kami natira kagabi. Ito yung isang toast. Dalawang toast kasi yung tinost ni Kuya.
This one? The longer one. This one's longer and this one's fatter.
The fatter one.
No, the longer one.
Yeah.
There's more in it.
So eto, inayawan na ni
Which one?
Kuya. Either way, Zach, there's the same.
Wait, Kaya, can you do that? And
Hinahanap niya yung mas malaking itlog. Ah. Parang iba. So, ayaw na ni Kuya ng bread. Pinalitan niya ng rice. Kasi, yun nga. Nakalimutan niya may tira tayong rice kagabi. Nakapili ka na, Zach?
Why?
Which one did you choose? The longer one?
Yep. Give these to Holly. They look okay. They're dry. Look.
It's not dry. Hang it, Zach. Not dry yet.
Chewy.
No. Zach, you have to hang that one. Yung ano yun ni Holly leggings. Kasi mamaya may dance lesson si Holly. It's not dry, Zach. Hang it, please.
Aren't they dry?
It's not. Ewan ko sa'yo.
A wonk still. That was a waste of time.
Yeah. Tapos na si Kuya. Dito naman yung aking mag-aama.
This is better. We don't
better.
need the things to. We could just have to put the net on it like that, okay? And then you can play.
Alright. Binili ko tong badminton last week, right? I bought that one
and
last
then someone broke it.
And si Kuya napatid doon
It's still
sa
gonna break anyway.
napatid si Kuya doon sa parang string. Ayun, kumulaps yung ano, yung dalawang poste. So ngayon, nilalagay ni Jan yung metal.
Are we gonna put the Christmas tree up?
Yes, almost, Baba, almost. Hindi pa kasi ako tapos pag-edit, guys. So, hindi pa namin nalalagay yung aming Christmas tree. Ayan. Sa Kmart ko lang yan nabili. And kung naka-follow kayo sa akin sa Instagram, TikTok, or Reel, sa Facebook page, na-upload ko na to dun sa ano namin. Sa Reels, yung naglaro kayo ng badminton. Kaming buong pamilya. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow, please follow me there, guys. Thank you. Okay, balik na muna ako doon. Pero yan yung ginagawa nila. And yung sinampay nila ay... Ayan.
You know why? No air, you're squeezing it. Just leave it. Let it be.
Tapos na nilang ilagay yung net.
No,
Hindi sila makapaglaro ng badminton kasi medyo mahangin. Ayan, pinapump nila yung bola for ano, volleyball. Set kasi siya, volleyball and badminton.
no, it's a bad.
So, ayan.
Alright, we'll just get ours.
Ask
We're
Daddy.
just gonna use that. This one's a good one.
Okay. Gamit sila ng ibang pump. Ayun si Jan. Inaayos niya pa. Eh, nakalabas pala yung motor ni Sak 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago na. Ayan, nagra-ride dito si Sak ng motor. Dito lang sa, ano, sa likod. You get a better pump.
Yep, not Kmart ones.
Not Kmart one.
Like this one.
Yeah. Di pa ako tapos mag-edit, guys.
Very darling.
Eh, nagsupa-dupa sila kanina. How's your supa-dupa?
Good.
Pardon?
Supa-dupa.
Good.
So, ayan. Malapit na. No, more.
No, it fell out.
Ayan si Jan. You know how to play, huh?
Do you know how to
Yeah,
play?
that's good.
You
I
good?
know there's two things different, Dad.
Yeah, it's alright now.
on Dad's team.
Good luck.
Man, take down to you.
Ninayaya nila ako, sabi ko mamaya na ako.
Let's go fly around.
Why? Gusto ni dyan proper na ball, tapos proper na yun, racket for badminton. Sabi ko okay na yung gamer kasi ako lang naman maglalaro. Ano na sila. Ayan na yung ating net. Oh, go! Alright, pasok na ako. Tapos na ako mag-edit yan. Sinisave ko na. And yung aking mag-aama ang iingay. Oh, di ba? Ang dilim. Ang dilim. Adjust muna natin.
Wait, whose shot's after mine?
Ayan, naglalaro sila ng cards.
Ollie.
Napagod na sila mag-volleyball.
No.
Eh, nagpapakulo akong kamote. So, ito yung lunch ko, guys. Kamote.
Is that only that big box and the tray?
Yeah.
The big box and then the white one. The transparent one.
What? It has clothes in it.
Yeah,
Grab
King.
that and
Put it back.
Alright.
must be the wrong one.
Maling box yung nakuha niya. Walang...
just something like this.
Yeah, big one. Bigger than this one.
And just take everything out here, then take it in.
So
Yeah.
old.
I know.
Grandma, this looks so old. Should be.
Thumbs up.
It should be.
Put on that side.
Wait, Mom.
This one first. Can you shake it first?
Look
Shake.
at it.
I know, it's old now.
It looks so old. There should be more red.
Yeah, shake it.
That good enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it.
Si Jan balik siya sa
I'm
shed.
gonna put it.
Oh, open the.
These are all the Christmas balls.
Yeah. But
Posisyon ko kayo dito kasi
we had
mabigat
that
kayo.
big one and then it broke.
Yeah.
Because someone dropped it.
who made this?
Oh, that's the sand. I swear it went under.
Huh?
It goes under.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Is that right, Mum? Is mine in here?
I think so.
Yeah, like that. What are we missing from there? The towel. Tower.
Tower?
The
I know
tower.
where the towel is.
Tower for what?
Tower that used to sit there, but the lights don't really work anymore.
Yeah, it's in the other room.
Remember
Linda!
Remember how annoying this was? Did you see it? Is this mine? Remember how annoying this was? It's there.
Oh, what?
Oh, you're
First.
doing one by one.
Yeah.
Mum, here's the...
What?
Mum, here's the...
Yeah, not yet. I'm gonna do the...
I'm just gonna grab all the Christmas stuff except the tree.
Mom,
Where's the Christmas light? Give me the Christmas light
here.
first.
These are all the. Do you want me to get all of them?
Just
Isn't there
one.
5 though?
1, 2,
Give me the
3, 4. There's only 4.
So ilalagay ko na yung
No, not that one.
Christmas light.
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
What? Oh. Is
Number 1. Okay, this one. Kasi dito ang ginagawa ko, tinatayo ko yung Christmas tree, tapos iniikutan ko siya.
Remember, it took you ages to do
That's
it.
right. So now I'm gonna do this way.
Do you like this way, Mom?
Yeah.
Here's all the candy canes and those roses. Like there.
No, I don't need that one. I don't need that one.
Oh, we'll grab the bowls. What about the candy
I don't
canes?
need the red one. I just need the
What about
gold and
this?
silver. No, I don't need that one.
Aw.
But isn't this my...
So no reds?
No red.
Whose pie code is this?
Oh, that's mine. Only red at front.
Only,
This is my pine cone.
no, that's
No,
mine.
this is mine. I'm making.
Iikot ko lang yung Christmas light dito.
In 2022.
Mine is too. What? This one? Sitting there.
Yeah.
Put it where the thing is, so like the reindeers want
Wow,
to get to
where
it to deliver the presents. It's in my bedroom.
Wait, go get no.
Cleo, you have to take your charcoal so we can hang that up there.
We only got one now there. Then I'm gonna put these up.
Maybe we can remember on the last few videos and see where. We need all of them. Where's the other one of those? Where's the other one of this one? Where's the other one?
No, it's probably in the other box.
Oh yeah. Clear. So fluffy. I wonder where my Christmas.
I have to put that one through its through the
Head.
hat because
Hat,
of the thing fell off.
Yep.
Mom, I got the angel.
I told you to turn it down.
The angel's in here.
Okay. Just later na that one, Baba. Put it back. No, I want you to put it back there, please, because you might break the head. That's ceramic. Just close that top first. We don't need that one yet.
Look how much medals I have. Mom, look.
Sure. Is that all yours?
Yeah.
You know yung medals niya.
I don't know how much I got.
How many? Not how much.
I know it.
How much of these, how much did you get? And, like, the other one.
But now I'm going to put the... What do we put in? We can put them here. Oh. No. Here on. Oh, you're right. Oh.
I can't reach.
Clear! Yeah! What? Come here. I won. Come here. We're going to do it in 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
The camera's on. Ready? It's on. Where is it going?
The other one.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
I know what I did was wrong,
Echo. 3, 2, 1.
but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye.
We're not
Maybe
putting
I'm
this
too bad,
Ito na yung pangalawang Christmas light.
Wait, Mum, we need the, what's it called? I forgot about that. We need the, what's it called?
Pinapa-open ko kay Kuya yung mga... Ano ba? Walang Kuya. Push.
But with that.
Got it. What are you trying to say, Zachary?
Mom, I need these.
Yes, I do.
And there's 2, 4.
That's good, thank you.
Yep. Here, you want me to plug this one in first?
No, not yet, because we need a long cord.
A long cord.
Yeah, from...
I took it out. I just ripped the thing off. Dad, help, Mom.
Hey, Dad, this is the only one I can put on.
Sorry.
Oh!
Yeah. So,
That's
napulunod
what
ko
it's
dalawang
called.
Christmas light. And itatry natin kung mag-work. Try mo yan. Yes, it's working.
It looks so bad.
Okay.
Where's one?
There's here.
Here, Mom.
The bottom one. It should be working. Is that working? Is it working?
No.
No, it needs to turn on. It has to turn on thing on it. No, it has to turn on thing. This one's not working.
I made something flashy.
Hala, hindi na-work yung isa.
Does it have any
Turn your
batteries that you can put in?
Napulupot ko na.
Do you hate when you have a cone?
No, wala. Hindi na-work yung isa.
Oh,
Can you grab me the other one, please,
Have
Holly?
you ever had a cramp?
So sweet. Dapat pala every year ginagawa ko ay tinatry ko muna bago ko ipulupot, pero nawala yun sa isip ko.
That's number 4.
Get number 3.
Give me number 3.
Oh,
4 minutes.
Bucket.
A cigarette.
Try 4 minutes.
Bucket.
A cigarette.
Baba, can you get me the number 4? I-try ko lang yung plug.
What was this?
Flash
Ang
it.
tawag nun, parang maluwag yung ano,
was
yung
loose.
knob.
It was loose.
So
Ayan.
guys, I just did
Nag-work
10
naman
minutes
sila
of that
guys.
shoulder, so I need
Kailangan ko lang
to
siyang
another 10 on the other shoulder.
i-screw ng maigi, tapos i-push ng maayos dito sa ating saksakan. Oh, hindi na naman nag-work.
Oh.
Number 2 and number 1.
Okay, do you want me to get the other one?
Nag-work na. Okay, come on here. So next is number 3. Come on, put it in.
Let's go now. So,
Why?
Okay, now help me open
so that's
all
you
these
go up there.
branches, please. So where did I stop? Number 2. Where is it?
Daddy, it's nearly for us to put that.
So dito na tayo.
Daddy.
Open that, yeah, like open. Help stop.
Yeah.
Did I know when on a basketball?
Na-stress ako sa ating Christmas light. Kasi itong Christmas light, sa Target ko pa ito nabili guys. Sobrang matagal na. As in. Tagal na. Ayan, nag-work na.
Oh, that ended up. Okay. Move. Holy. Really punch.
On the
Oh,
angry.
This one. Can I get it?
Dad. Dad.
No.
Shoot!
I'll punch your nose.
So, kinukuha na ni Kuya yung last na karutong nito. Ayan na lang lang pala. Okay.
Go get dressed, brush your hair.
And get dressed now, please, Holly.
Right.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Sa kinuha lang ni Sak yung leggings ni Holly sa sampayan. Kasi nilabhan. Careful.
Oh, what else was the top?
Where's your top?
I
There.
swear it's bigger than that.
Yeah, that's right.
I swear when we
bigger than
were
that?
kids
That's-
it was big.
Because
You
you
just-
were short then.
That's right. Now you grow now.
Shoulder.
Now it, Daddy, you like it?
Okay, next is yung number for
I'm not
natin
letting you
Christmas
do that part
light.
again.
Tawa nagtawa si Sak kasi salita ko ng salita, hindi pala kayo naka-on. Sabi ko sa kanya, ulitin ko na lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, kain muna ako ng kamote na. Yung kamote natin may pagka-purple. Minsan yung nakukuha ko, pure na purple talaga siya. Masarap yun, matamis. Kain muna ako. Punta kayo dito sa Asian store.
It's at 94%, 10 more minutes.
Mabilis dito ang internet. Sarap yung butter. May dala akong butter. Masarap to sana kung mainit pa. Kaso hindi na eh.
So pink.
Hmm?
So pink. Oh, you bring butter? I may try a little bit. Just a tiny.
Kaya daw. Inamoy na na, ma'am. Pagka ano to, pwede ito maging ano. Yung mga, di ba yung mga aso may inaamoy para malaman nila kung may mga dala kayong kung ano-ano.
It's alright.
It's alright? Sumama si Sak kasi,
What are we gonna get in there?
I'm gonna get eggs. Tingnan ko kung may
Is that all?
eggs and pork liver.
Wait, what are they called? The ballot?
Balot?
Balut?
I don't think so if they have balot. Why do you wanna
No,
balot?
I was just asking because like
You miss that balot? I
no,
wanna go.
I hate it now.
You hate it balot? We'll go to Adelaide.
Didn't
Maybe
it
they
have
have
like
it.
a chicken inside?
Yeah, just baby.
Mom, that's what you wear.
Yeah. Tawag nito. Sumama si Sak kasi maghahanap kami ng
That's gross.
pink. What? This one?
No, the.
Balot?
Do you like that?
Yeah, it's so yum. Maghahanap kami ng damit ng boys para sa Christmas party. Yung kulay ng
It's
ating
done,
damit.
Mom.
Yeah. Yung kulay ng damit
Can I
natin.
shut it?
No, it's not. It's processing pa, Sak.
Oh, well, when it's done, can I?
Yeah. Ang kulay ng ating, yung theme ng Christmas party natin ay, tinasala. Pink. Pink. So, maghanap ako ng top sa mga bata. Tapos, si John, ayaw niya mag-pink.
Right.
Not yet. Kasi, nagpa-processing. Tapos na tayo mag-upload. Ang bilis lang dito pagdala ko yung laptop. Yun, si John, ayaw niya mag-pink. So, hindi ko alam kung anong susuotin niya. Pero yung mga bata, si Holly, nabilhan ko na si Holly. Ako, parating pa lang.
We're not getting shorts.
No shirt, not pink.
Okay.
Top only. Ayaw yung mag-shirt na pink. Anong co-ords. So, kainin ko muna to, guys. Yeah, I know. I told you, it's not done. Processing pa. Dito pa rin kami sa car. Ito yung pangalawa, guys. Baka ito yung purple. Ah, hindi masyado. Akala ko sobrang purple niya na. Hindi pa rin pala. Dito na tayo sa Asian store. Yes? Boy bawang. You want okra, Zach? We're gonna get eggs. Ayan. We have plenty of eggs. What? Wait lang. Nagtanong ako, wala sila yung pork liver. Ano yun? What?
The best one.
The best one? Adobo.
Or barbecue.
Maybe the regular one. No, they don't have the regular one. Just get the adobo one. Cheese? Well, it's up to you. I haven't tried that one. Get up, the adobo one. Yeah, get one of each. So, kunin lang natin dito ay eggs kasi wala silang ano. Huh? I'll get ketchup, Zach. Only what?
Mom, they're sweet.
What did you say?
Only $2.70.
Only $2.70. Okay. We're gonna get the eggs. What?
All of that
Yeah.
for $12.80.
Yeah. Sabi ni Zach, ang mura nitong itlog daw eh. Kasi ang dami. $12.80 lang. Try niya na yung, ano yan? Yung chili cheese?
They're good.
No, I have chewy.
They're already spicy already.
It's spicy.
They're not cheesy.
You like
They're
it?
good.
Like it?
Yeah.
What's the smell? You didn't smell. Did you smell it?
Nah.
First time.
I forgot to.
You forgot. But at least you like it. Any car? Ang tunog sa, ang tunog, ang crunchy. You like it?
Yep.
So maybe next time I will grab some.
They're not even cheesy.
No.
I thought that would be like so.
Cheesy?
Yeah.
But is it spicy?
Nah.
Oops. Not even close. Punta tayo ng cotton on.
Mom, tell me if I'm close.
You're not close, ah. Na. Ang lakas naman ng music dito, oy. Ang lakas, wala. Aray ko.
Tell me if I'm close to wild.
You're not gonna be close.
Yeah, I will. Ready?
Wala tayong nakuha, guys. Tingnan mo siya. Na.
I don't have my shoes on.
Wala. So, punta tayo ng Kmart. Kmart tayo. Dito na tayo sa Kmart. You want that, Zach? Ang dami ng ano, oh. Mga damit na pang Christmas. Oh, wow. Tingnan nyo. Iba yung nahanap ko. Too tight? Allah, size 14 to, guys. Too tight? No, it's not. No, it's not.
I can't zip it up. There. That's
Baka by the time na kailangan ko na siya.
perfect. Mom, it's good. Come on.
It's good? You think so? Size 14. Yung size 12 kasi hindi kasya. Can I try this again?
That one's.
I'll try this again. Sabi niya kasi, pumunta tayo ng Kmart para sa amin, hindi para sa iyo. Ay, para ba sa boys? Kasi naghahanap nga tayo ng pink top para sa boys. Eh, nakita ko to, nakita na ako. Oh, try mo, Zach. Baka, kasi nag-ano naman tayo. Try it. Hindi masikip. Masikip.
Nah,
Ken? Ken?
14.
Try your best.
What size are you?
12.
Oh, really? 'Cause
Yeah.
my daughter's probably a bit bigger than you, like.
14
bit
is
broader.
14 is good.
I was like thinking, oh, we should need the 10 or the 12, but I'm thinking maybe the 12.
12. This is 12,
Yeah.
but a bit, yeah. Is it tight? And 14 is alright.
Yeah.
You can move. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is a bit tight now. No? Yeah, you can. This is the 12. Yeah.
Yeah. But without your t-shirt on.
Yeah.
with that sleeve
And then
are
no
different,
bras, I
it's
think.
probably
Better, yeah. You think what do you think sa
Whatever
12?
that other one is.
Maybe 12 na lang. Kasi nag-lose weight naman tayo. 14 kasi, parang laki naman. Which one do you think? Which one? Oh, try natin ulit. Try natin.
Yeah, try that is.
Okay. Try the 14.
We just did.
Yeah, but I wanna know the spacing. The spacing. Okay. So, size 14 tong isa. Baka ano na sa, maluwag na sa akin. Ito. Try it. Okay, I will put this down. It's not zipping. Why? Why? Oh, ito yung 14. Bakit 14? Is it, you think so? What do you mean tiny lang? Well, this one? No, there's not. So no. Yeah, but look, it's a bit. Maybe we'll
Then
see.
this one. You're
Yeah,
not trying it on? You're just gonna
size 12 na lang. Size 12 na lang. Okay. Mamadali naman si sir. Oh, can you put this bag there, please? Where's my... May nabili tayo. Okay, let's go for the boys. Yeah, this is the boys. No, there's no pink sack. Walang pink for kids. Walang t-shirt. Kahit man lang t-shirt. Na? Walang pink. Mag-dress ka na lang, Sak. This one, oh.
No.
Joke. Ito, merong touch na pink. Nakita ni Sak. What's, this is size 7. And there's 9. It will fit you, Sak. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, that's nice. Do they have any size 12? May ternong shorts.
See?
May nakita kaming shorts doon, no? Oh, 9. Here. Ah, no, there's none. Oh. Ayan, meron pala dyan. Diba? Size 6 only. I-try niya daw yung polo. Medyo maliit daw sa kanya. Yan na yung pinakamalaki. Okay, put this one back there, please. Thank you. So, ayaw niya kasi medyo masikip daw. Sayang. Uy, hang the clothes. Ah, shut na. Ito sa Just Jeans. Walay. No, I'm good.
It's good.
Dito lang kami sa car. Maya may punta na namin si Holly. No, I don't like it. So,
You
you
haven't
know.
even tried it.
Yeah, I don't like it. Remember?
What?
I'm on.
Diet.
Mm-hmm.
But would you like it?
I think so, but I don't want to get used to it. I'm trying to avoid it because once I try it and I like it,
You can't stop eating it.
that's right. So,
Like me.
that's your pubos niya na. So, wala tayong nakuha sa Kmart. After natin pick upin si Holly, punta tayo ng Coast. May kukunin lang tayo doon na konting fruits. Kasi meron pa sa bahay na baon-baon sila eh. Ayan si Zach. Pipick upin niya na si Holly. One more. Just put on top. Okay, thank you. This one.
Which one has more?
This one. This is big one. Wala ng plastic bag. Hindi pa. Hindi na naman siya kasya. Thank you.
You want one, Holland?
No, you can just share. It's not gonna eat that spicy one.
Everyone likes these ones because these ones are like the better ones. You know, like
Oh no, it's not. It's not single. No, no. Okay, that mini one. Mini rice cakes. No. Dinosaur one, alright. Okay? All good? Okay, bayad na tayo. Tapos na tayo dito sa coast. Kuha pala tayo ng paminta. Paubos na yung paminta ko dun. Have a good night. Okay, we're done. You alright? Okay. Baba. Sige. Are you sure? Yeah. Watch out. Let Kuya Sak. Holly, let Kuya Sak. Thank you. Dito si Sak this time. So, siyang maglalagay nito dyan sa likod ng ating car. Ayan si... Ha? Ayan si Saki boy. Hindi ngayon siya lang gagawa. Okay, Sak. Right, good. Put this back there, please. Bahay na tayo, guys.
Baby sauce.
Baby sauce? Barbecue sauce. May ginawa akong cake kahapon. Ito yung isa. Yung maliit yung naubos namin. Ito yung malaki. Nasa ano to? Nasa, yan, upload ko to dyan sa ano, sa ating mini vlog. Ayan yung ating Christmas lights. Christmas tree. Hindi pa tapos. So, eto na yung dinner ni Johnny Boy. Yung mga bata, si Kuya, meron silang Turkish rolls. You want some?
Yeah, toast.
Toast? Okay.
Meron toast.
Tapos na si sa kumain, si John. Hindi pa, tsaka si Kuya. Si Holly tapos na. The what?
The stuff around it.
Maybe tomorrow, Kuya.
Yeah.
Now? Daddy's gonna... Yeah, you can have cake.
Yeah?
Baka tapusin ko na lang yung Christmas tree bukas, guys. Kasi... I'm tired na, yeah. I didn't get you Coke because I don't want you to drink.
No, Dad, that was a code for $1.70.
Yeah. Why didn't you get it?
I told
A
him.
little bit of Coke.
You
A
told.
little bit of sugar.
Is there anything else?
Intention ko tayo hindi kumuha ng ano. Ng
You can
Coke.
get 3 for like, I
I'll
don't
have
know,
that
$4.
size.
What?
Is that all?
Have that size.
That's too big, Baba.
Oh.
Wait, Dad.
Gustong kainin ni Kuya yung boy bawang. So, linisin ko muna dito. Tinatry na ni Kuya yung boy bawang. What flavor is that again, yeah? Adobo. Which one you like? Garlic. Si Sak, mas gusto niyo yung kanina. What was that, Sak? No, the one you had, the boy bawang.
Cheese and spicy.
Yeah. May tripod tayo doon kasi yung gamit ko kanina pag set up natin ng Christmas tree ay yung malaking kong camera. Tapos na ako maglinis sa kusina. And yung mga bata nakaligo na. Ayan, si Kuya nakaligo na yan. Bago pa kayo dumating nakaligo na. Si Holly, ayan, nakaligo na rin. And si Sak. Si Sak nagtatao kasi naka-andis lang siya. So, bukas ko na lang itutuloy yung aking Christmas tree. Tapusin ko siya bukas. So, end na namin yung vlog, guys. Come on, Baba, let's close the vlog. Come on, Holly. Close the vlog.
I hope you enjoyed that.
Thank you first.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Okay, guys. Good night na. Thank you. Bye.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.